Hi, welcome to the channel Let's Talk Watches. Friends, there are ordinary watches, there are some good quality watches, and then comes that one particular watch, which is way more special, which is closer to our heart. This watch is beyond liking and disliking. It's not just a watch, it's an emotion. You feel it when you wear and hold it. And today I am going to review such one watch in this video. The watch is from Timex and the model is Expedition Sierra. Model number is TW2V22800. This watch, and particularly this color, is not available in India. Not online, not offline, nowhere. I had to import it from UAE after losing all the hopes from all the major watch selling platforms in India, and even Timex India for that matter. I've been trying to get it since last 2 years because I did not want to pay extra 30% as import duty. But there is nothing we can do when no one cares about the customer. I'm disappointed with Timex in this whole exercise. And this is something that every watch enthusiast has to go through at some point. Because in India, quality doesn't have much of a weightage in our purchasing. No one cares to push the quality watches because we Indians never pushed these brands to sell good quality watches because they were expensive. Anyways, let's start the unboxing of Timex Expedition Sierra. In the box, we have the usual foam sheet that Timex uses to keep the watches safe. And friends, let's welcome our very special Timex Expedition Sierra. I'm speechless. This is way more beautiful than I thought. And many of you must be wondering that I'm exaggerating, but I'll tell you what I see here in this watch. Okay, let's have a closer look on this dial. At first glance, it looks like a simple dial, but first thing first, it's a pilot's watch, or a field watch that we call them. It's a part of Timex Expedition series, which is considered as a little premium comparing to any other ordinary Timex watch. Timex also has Expedition Note series, which is more or extra premium to Expedition series when it comes to comparison. Let's come back to the dial. Any watch lover will notice the second hand on this dial at the very first moment. So I will also start with that. Just look at this amber color proper arrow style second hand. If you pay attention to small details of this second hand, look at the tip. It is a proper triangular shaped arrow tip and not a simple needle head. Now look at the tail of this second hand. This is also properly designed exactly as an arrow tail. I think this adds a little vintage look to it. The amber color just stands out. Your first look will be on the second hand whenever you will see the time, which actually tells us that how important a second is for any pilot. Next thing is the 12-hour marker. Again, exactly the same shape as other hour markers, but due to the color and matching with the second hand color, it stands out too, which is a very, very beautiful thing to have on the dial. Now I want you to have a look at the Arabic hour indices. Big, bold, and clearly visible. So clean. I'm confident that even if I hang this watch on a wall, I can tell you the time from at least 10 feet. This much I'm confident about. Now look at the 24-hour indices. Perfectly and very precisely printed. And I hope you know that there is no 2 p.m. for Air Force, Army and Navy people. It's always 1400 hours for them. And it's field watch, as I mentioned. Another example of precise craftsmanship is the date window. Look at the 1500 hours indices. This is a date window, friends. It's amazing. It's so beautifully lost in the plain sight. How amazingly Timex has done this. I'm so damn impressed. Then we have the Timex printed right below the 24-hour indices and Expedition mentioned above 1800 hours. The amber color on this white tile just stands out. Timex has done a wonderful job on printing here. Have a look at the Arabic hour indices and the chapter ring. The printing is so clean that even if I zoom in, it will not lose its clarity. I have seen many watches and none had this much of clarity on a printed dial. Just look at the numbers, they are so perfectly printed and placed. Then we have the exclusive Indiglo feature of Timex. I talked about it in my last video as well. I request everyone who is new here to go and check out my previous video where I reviewed a very special digital watch from Timex. And that watch is a budget watch. So if you're looking forward to buy a retro digital watch, please check out that video. I have put the link in the I button. You can click and enjoy that detailed unboxing and review. Now let's come back to Expedition Sierra. Let's have a look at the back. It's a stainless steel back, standard stuff, the Timex printed on a globe. Again, standard stuff. We have the model number and water resistant 50 meter printed. It also says watchmakers EST 1854. Timex is showing off how old the brand is and why anyone should trust them. 20 mm lug width, and that's all we have at the back. The watch comes with this beautiful blue strap and the amber color strip at the center of this strap, complementing the colors on the dial. And guys, it's fabric. It's not nylon or plastic. It looks and feels premium. I'm putting the specifications on the screen. Please have a look. And two things I will be critical about on this watch. First is the loom on minute and hour hands. And the second one is this brass case. I think Timex could have done better on these two things. So friends, the moment of truth. I have the watch on my wrist. I waited too long for this, and I have to say it's worth it. In fact, it's very nice to have this watch. This one is going to be one of the most beautiful watches I have. I have another Expedition watch with a green dial, and that one also look amazing, but this one is just way more beautiful. I'll try and do a comparison video of both the Expedition watches in my collection, and in that video you will see why this one stands out. Hope you liked the review. It was a special one. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments on this unboxing and review. I hope I could explain what I see in watches before purchasing. At the end, I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your watch lover friends around you. I purchased these watches because I love watches. But creating content and sharing it with you all is a different experience altogether. So please like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Keep ticking, keep talking. Bye bye and take care.